Hello friends, so how do you feel now? Fine? Very good. So now let's begin our exercise on form of the future perfect tense. So here you have got the sentences with different tenses. You have to convert or change them into or rewrite them into future perfect. Okay. So let's begin the first one. He went there, how do you rewrite? He will have gone there. So will have plus past participle, or you have got the V3. V, that is this one. The third form of the verb. First form is go, and went and gone. Yesterday we had this, sorry. They celebrated Christmas. They will have celebrated Christmas. They will have celebrated Christmas. Okay? Very simple. She will reach home. She will have reached. She will have reached home. Very good. And the fourth one, the magician is performing tricks. The magician will have performed tricks. The magician will have performed tricks. Isn't it? Fine. Now you have got the fifth one. He calls me. He will have called me. He will have called me. Alright? The sixth one. You have done it. You will have done it. You will have done it. Are you following? Fine. Yes, you have done it. He has gone. He will have gone. He will have gone. Right? Alright. Here the teacher has done his work. The teacher will have done his work. You may think that this is too simple. Yes, very good. It is very simple. If it is very simple, it is my classes are grand success. Classes are a grand success. If you think that this is very simple, definitely I stand to gain, because you have now become very familiar with these things. If you find it very difficult, then I stand to lose. Understand? Yes. And earlier, the painter paints the board. The painter will have. The painter will have painted the wall. Painter will have painted the wall, and the 10th one, it rains, it will have rained. It will have rained. Okay? And now you have got the 12th one, 11th one, many people left the place. Many people will have left the place. Many people will have left the place, and now 12th, they have been working, they will have worked. They will have worked. Very good, fine. Are you alright? And 13, the swimmers had crossed the channel. The swimmers will have crossed the channel. Alright? And 14, he wrote a poem. He will have written a poem. Yes. And the last, she spoke well, she will have spoken well. She will have spoken well. Spoken English. Sorry. Well. Now you read this loudly. He went there, he will have gone there. then they celebrated Christmas, they will have celebrated Christmas. Like this, two sides, this side will read out this question frames or the input, and the output will be read out by this group. Together we can enjoy this class. Practice, practice, practice makes the man perfect. Okay, see you again with the next lesson. Till we meet again, bye. Have a nice time. I hope that you are enjoying. Thank you for listening. Take things easy. Bye.